guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Decorate With Me video. I'm just doing a few things for Valentine's Day. We had all of these things already up in the attic and I also made 2 wreaths. So I will show you that process. I've never made wreaths before, so it was interesting. I will definitely do it again and I have learned a lot. So I will go over all of that, but we are just going to put up a few decorations. I will show you the decorations that we're going to use. All right, so these are all of the decorations. We just have this little garland, this little love sign, this little one, Valentine's Day sign. This is the only thing new that we grabbed at the dollar store. We have these little hearts. We have a wreath down there. I have had that wreath since I owned my first home when I was 21. So I've had this thing for probably, I don't know, 12, 13 years. I don't know why I've held on to it, but I have. So, and then I have this little I Love Us. And then these are the 2 wreaths that I made. They came out pretty good. They came out, you know, they're not bad for first time making a wreath. I do like the burlap. This one is a little plain, but you know, not bad for the first time making a wreath. So these are all the things that I got to make the wreaths. I got everything at the dollar store. I got this like mesh tubing. I got these little sticks. I got this little thing maybe to hang in the middle. I've got some of this tulle, this as well, 2 different kinds of ribbon, some fake flowers, and these 2 wreaths. And I had a glue gun, but I just bought some of these because I don't know where any of mine are. So let's see what we can come up with.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you.
So with these wreaths, I honestly took them apart. I put them all together, I took them apart a few times. So I just did kind of trial and error and just kind of winged it. I like the way they came out for the most part, but I'm gonna make some other ones, maybe one for St. Patrick's Day, and start working on a few other ones. One I can put up for like the summertime that has 4th of July and like Memorial Day kind of vibes. So I am going to definitely kind of work on my kind of form and try to perfect it a little bit better for next time. But they didn't come out too bad for a first timer.
Like I'm better off with you. things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning. Yeah, you just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. You touch me in a way that makes me shiver. Sometimes I can't believe that you are mine. Love's gonna be beyond my trigger. You kiss me in a way that gets me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right just being around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Ooh. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh, baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down, 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 down. Baby, going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down, 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 down. Baby, going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. No, I thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, no, no. We don't know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. Hey, I've got you on my mind. Yeah, you're all that I think about. You know you got me going wild. And what I want is you. Could you come a little closer? I want you by my side. And I'll try the best I can to make you feel this way. Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. Don't let me hold you now.
All right, and that is it for today's video. As you can see, I just did super simple, nothing crazy, very plain. I didn't want too many decorations. I mean, it's Valentine's Day, but nothing major needs to be done and decorated. So just a few little things just to make it festive and happy for the kids and all of us, of course. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the kind of DIY, everything I got was at Dollar Tree, like I said. So if you like those kind of things, it was super fun to do. Let me know, because I can definitely do more of those in the future. But make sure you are subscribed and hit that notification bell so you are alerted every time I upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.